when animals awake from a long winter's nap and maple trees start to flow with sap. In the spring you can play fun games outside, or saddle up and take a horseback ride, or get in a boat and learn how to sail, or color egg like Peter Cottontail. Spring is fresh, a good time to clean. It's like being reborn, if you know what I mean. So jump for joy and dance and sing. Old man winter's turn into spring. Winter, spring, summer and fall, every season there's a reason for having a ball. Many ways to learn and have fun in every season. In every season. Yes, yes, yes. In the summer it's hot and the sun beats down. You can even burn your feet when they touch the ground. It's the time of year when kids are out of school, and you do what you can to try to keep cool. Splash in a pool or swim if you can, or play at the beach in the surf and sand, or just relax and kick back in the shade and chill with a glass of pink lemonade, or go out at night on the 4th of July.